I've been using VigRx Plus now for 3 months, and I wanted to share my success story with you guys. I've spent thousands trying to find something to help my weak erection. Either it had adverse side effects on my health, or they were just fake pills and they didn't work. I was determined to find something, because sometimes midway through sex, my erection would just stop. If I tried to change positions, it would just go away. It was so embarrassing for me and my partner. We couldn't have a good sex life, and I just needed to find something that would work. After thorough research and actually trying many pills, I found the only thing that really works is VigRx Plus. The reason I gave it a 4.5 star out of 5 stars as a review is because it took 2 to 4 weeks for it to kick in. But when it did kick in, wow, the effects were crazy. I mean, my erection was fuller, harder, stronger, and I gotta say, VigRx Plus is worth the wait. I was struggling to get an erection before I took VigRx Plus, and I get rock hard erections almost every day now, especially when it's time and when I need it to work. My penis looks slightly bigger because from the harder erections, I never lose erections halfway through sex anymore. I come more. Before VigRx Plus, I was squirting like maybe 3 or 4 times. Now it's like 4 to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. I have longer, intense, lasting orgasms too. Plus I feel more energetic, younger, healthier overall. VigRx Plus is safe. There's no adverse side effects like other ED pills. It feels pretty great sharing this review because I had success with it. I found something that works, and it transformed my sex life, so I have no problem recommending it. By the way, a survey by the makers of VigRx Plus found that 98.5% of buyers come back and become repeat customers. There's a lot of fake stuff out there in the VigRx Plus name, so you make sure that you order yours from the official website down below. It does not work overnight though, remember that, guys. It doesn't work overnight, but you have to wait for it to kick in after you take it. But then when it does, you won't be disappointed. Yeah, it'll change your life. It'll change you and your partner's sex life 100%. Do I recommend VigRx Plus? Absolutely. 100% for sure. Go for it. Thank you. Post a comment down below if you have a question or you'd like to share a success story. And make sure you purchase your VigRx Plus from the official website down below and get a special discount on your purchase. Thanks, guys.